Grace has found me just as I am, empty-handed but alive.
Winner oh VDM, winner oh VDM, you don't win oh VDM. If they let make them cry well oh VDM. If they let make them carry ya go another court oh VDM. God go continue to deal with you. That video with Kokobi is like mocking the family. If VDM can stand the family of lawyer, who is Abatif? Who is Abike? I just want to thank God Almighty. You understand? Even they can take it to another court, but this one is a good news. Haters are still crying in the comment section. Some are saying, what about the other courts? Have you forgotten that the matter is still another court? How many matters in another court? We dey talk of the way do now, they talk of the way we say God go still do again. The one way God do, so more than happy, but I don't say I no go happy. Now only VDM down for now go make una happy. But God Almighty will not allow you guys to see VDM downfall. And we writers want to say big congratulations to us. Want to thank God. One thing I like about VDM is that whatever, any good things like this, he always refer to writers. It means that he loves his people. He loves those that love him. He loves Nigeria. He loves, if I just have that, love, I want to carry everybody along. I am so happy. Hey!
Come, VDM, who you be? Who you be? You never tell us who you be. Oh. Come. This one sweet me for below. Like the biggest of all. Like, so like this, 1 billion drop. This one, I just laugh. Now I just laugh. Now I go laugh all through. Alpha. Our grandfather, all our car. You see this life, What did just they say, always stand by the truth. Even when people will try, may they shut you up. As far that there is God working with you, as far that there is God standing with you, no compromise. You understand? No matter how people trying to may they do something for you, to they talk the truth. No allow anybody to shut you up for this life. Stand for the truth, because what is saving VDM from all these people's hand is the truth. So no matter what, no matter what they want to do, no matter the lawsuit, no matter the BB what they see everywhere, VDM stand for the truth. What did they tell me? Now what did they save this young man? Imagine say VDM enter the house of lawyers and he tell them say, una no rich. Oh God, una no understand, una no rich. And the judges when they say, really, this guy they walk, this guy now the truth when we say this guy they talk. Say this man won't just use an influence, shut her up. But God said no. He said, who God don't stand there? Before any man can be able to bring that person down, it ain't hard though. That is why you need to stand for the truth. No matter how people try to shut up your mouth. You understand? This is the only one man, me, Lily Wise, with the fear say. This way we say everything about this man. Now love we has so. I sure say this one B where we say the give video say last. Okay, I say okay, hope they. I only tell God something is that there's one thing I normally ask God that if VDM is doing the right thing, say no matter what these people go bring to shake table, say the table not go follow. But you understand, table don't feel fall. You don't feel fall for this one. But VDM I go copy. These two people make me. If you see the way I was laughing yesterday. So, Papa, you know how to sing like this. I don't know say you get sweet voice like this. So, see Bible. I started to scatter Bible.
Another win for VDM and the Rattle family as court rules out Falana's suit against VDM. This means that the defamation case that has been on ground has been thrown into the lagoon. There is no more case. The family of lawyers, the grandfathers of lawyers, the great-grandchildren of lawyers, all of them, they have packed all of them and their lawsuits and throw them in one corner. This shows that no matter how bad, no matter how people don't like you, if you stand by the truth will stand by you. This also shows that there are still people with conscience in our judicial system. Because tell me how the biggest lawyers in this country were not even able to proceed with a simple lawsuit. They were not even able to appear in court. There was no hearing whatsoever for this same VDM, who there was noise all over the world that he defamed a particular family. Now, court has thrown this case outside. What do we call this now? Is this one grace or is truth that is fighting for VDM? If VDM come for you, you will lose. If you come for VDM, he will lose. Do you know why? It is not pride, it is not jazz, it is not anything. He always stands by the truth and he is not compromised. Anything he is doing is not doing it because you want to pay him. He is doing it because that is the truth. And that is it.
So it's looking like Verydarkman is defeating the Falanas in this 500 billion naira, million naira suit against him. So, following the court's decision to strike out defamation suit filed by human rights lawyer Femi Felana and his son, rapper Falz, against the Verydarkman, the lawsuit, which sought 500 million in damages, was struck out by Justice Matthias Dawodu on procedural grounds, as the substantive case was already before another judge. VDM's celebratory reaction has sparked mixed reactions online, while some hailed it as a victory for free speech, others criticized his approach as stiff and provocative. Well, it's looking like Verydarkman is reversing some trends in Nigeria. You know, before now, when you hear names like Femi Felana, hey, Session, when you hear names, all these big names, people could begin to fear. But it's like, it's because we don't actually use the courts very well, or we don't have people who stand for us. That is why these big men, if you just pick somebody from Lagos and go throw for franchise. So it's looking like Verydarkman is defeated them. Family of all lawyers. Femi Felana is a lawyer. His son Falz is a lawyer. His children are lawyers. All of them are lawyers. His wife, everybody is lawyer in their house. So I wonder how they miss a proper procedural filing. This is strange. You know, there are some people you don't fight. One of them is Verydarkman, because if you fight him, I think one thing is this: God knows his people, and God always fights for his people. Honestly, because all these errors that are emanating from filing, wrong spelling, wrong, appellations, they are, I tag them as the hand of God against oppressors. That's it. So Verydarkman is winning.
Pass the bad guy. Tell your papa, me go house. The remaining dignity we get now, the remaining glory we get now, me just go house. Initially, when this case started, I talked about it. I gave my opinion. I said, Falana, you know somebody will be saying we respect for this country. Sano, a big lawyer for that matter, we respect you for this country. You know, a person will be saying Nigerians respect, Nigerians will talk about you. I told you, I say, leave VDM alone. Leave VDM alone. Leave that case. Do like say you know, see him. You don't agree now. Una push. Now the table don't turn. And again, what I need to understand in Psalm 91, it says, "He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High God shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty." You don't understand? He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High God. Now, place now VDM day. VDM is a spiritual rock in the name of the spirit. Now rock in thee. I know one of the unique character of the rock, or the significance of rock, we say, if you as the stone rock, as the pour rock water, as they do everything, where you try to, push the rock away. Now the more they give the rock more stamina, they give the rock more basement, they give the rock more strength, more growth. Now so VDMB. Una the pour rock water, una the pour rock stone. Now the more that they make the rock to the grow, they big, they augment. I say when I leave VDM na spiritual rock. The more when they fight him, now the more the guy the augment. Take people where VDM call up, they no respond to VDM. I be. If I go say the case go just die. But once you be say you respond to him, you want to say yes, you want fight him, you they give the guy more popularity. When they give him more strength, more augmentation. Look gonna ask questions now. Don't be church. Look gonna ask questions. See Dr. Albert now, if you respond to VDM now, if you respond to VDM, you no go like what he go collect. You no go like him. He go collect him back to back. He go collect him woto. He knows. They go that advisors making they go. Make it respond to VDM now. He go collect back to back. So Falana will tell you, say, leave VDM alone. Leave a VDM now one of the people. Now people in Nigeria don't carry for head. Now last hope of Africa, let me VDM, the last hope of Africa. People don't they look and say, bro, now you go liberate Africa from all the slavery and servitude. You know, agree. You say, no, una must press down, una must go court, una must, file and case, file this one. Una not see the table don't they turn. Now God they lead VDM, no be man. The spiritual controls the physical. Now God they lead VDM. If not be God, they lead them, VDM for don't fall. If not be God, they protect them, VDM for don't fall for ground. Now God they protect them, now God they lead them. You understand? He said, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He prepared a table before me in the presence of my enemy. Now, the enemies, they there, God, they prepared table between them for them. God, they give them a table. Una leave this guy, make peace reign. Una say una want the pressure and the pressure and the pressure. The more the pressure, the more God will open more ways for her. Eh? Now the more God will open more ways for her. You know, be rock in the spiritual realm. Jesus is the rock, and we are created in His own image. So VDM is a rock. You don't understand? You don't understand? If now no know all this is una go learn, and una go dey learn the hard way. Peace and love.
Before I go sleep this night, I say make I ask one about one person. Because it be like say we don't miss one person gradually and nobody's talking about him again. This one where nobody they talk about DeeOne, our honest brother. Waiting happen. Abi una don't retire him. You see social media. Waiting social media go cost for some people. Waiting social media go cost for some people. Especially in Niger. The same social media people where ginger people be, where make them lose presidential election. Now them the ginger DeeOne for comment section. The same social media people where ginger Governor Fubara, where make them give him 6 months suspension. Now them the ginger DeeOne, where make him day where he did now. The same social media people where ginger our brother with delay. We make them there for police cell now for over 6 months now. Now them still the ginger DeeOne. Sheona don't push DeeOne, push him, enter inside gutter. The guy career don't finally buy. I hope so I go rest now. Now, DeeOne no be comedian. He's not a content creator. He no be stand-up MC. Nothing where he achieve for social media. After I don't use them catch cruise on comment section finish. Now, the guy no get any content again. And none of una they ask after him. Nobody don't remember him again. Una don't forget and face another person. If you be content creator, anything where you they do, don't look at your comment section. No, you see those people where they comment, where they tell you right on. Immediately your career by, then go move into another person's page. They ginger the person. Now them they cause wahala for Niger. Now see DeeOne now. DeeOne don't use in hand by his career. Nobody's talking about him again. Verydarkman still there where he did. They progress, they sell. DeeOne place. He no know what he go talk again. Because talk don't finish for his mouth. I beg, help me tag him to this video. Because I be good person. Now why I they remember him? DeeOne, how far? Where you dey?
Well, you can't say this case we call strike away for VDM. I'm very happy for him. You know understand? Because of the truth, that case never shooting that they carry go court. Person tell now what the person talk about. Now instead of to go after the person, when I call they go after who tell the thing. The person will talk the word. What you do to her? Till just now, I see the reason and nothing. You don't understand? Normally that case is a case of clear oppression. You don't understand? So as court strike the case so well, like I even say VDM still come as I call talk that time say Uncle Falana like he uncle, you know, go fit disrespect am, but still na still carry the case go court. We don't say una be lawyer. You know understand? They say no who first reach court dey win case. Na clear evidence of that word be this. You know understand? When you run alone, it's called race, but when God run with you, it's called grace. I'm very happy for him as they discharge the case. Discharged and acquitted. You know understand? Raters, drop some love under this video. You know understand? I'm very happy for him because if you even look the case, not being get the case. Now person is still dey fight for that time. That guy wey dey say Bobrisky dey owe money. Now result to all this many talk that time. So it's all love, peace out and blessing. If VDM normally na pikin, go carry am go court. More see truth, more talk. You know understand? I get some kind things wey person no dey do, most especially when you don't get children. See the disgrace now.
Okay guys, quick one. Another congratulations to the Rate family. If you are a Rate here, drop a comment of congratulations. They put hashtag VDM, congratulations. Then add Coco P Joel, because to get friend like Coco P na big connection, not easy. Even as I did say, my shadow way they close to me, they lose guard me sometimes. Go ahead, go shop. Talk less of human being to get as friend, you know easy. Share the graph. Coco P, shout out to you, VDM, shout out to you, and every other Rate member that support the journey. God bless all of you. But not that will carry me come. According to what he called talk. They say alleged defamation. Court strike act. Falana suit against Instagram what? Activists. They can't put VDM, but more leave like that. Any other TikTok can go like that. Against VDM, the president himself. Type congratulations. You no long talk. You more lift up a very dark.
my people as I talk to una, make una do wetin, make una run, make una go call DeeOne, make una come tell her say government don't do wetin, they don't strike at the wetin, the case between the papa and Verydarkman, say they don't strike am out to. Shebi una see way where God take dey work. VDM na man you be, you get God. You get God. DeeOne where you there? I beg go make you go think another thing where you want talk. Because the only thing where you go talk just now, you go say that I don't go beg Falana. I beg, give us evidence where VDM go beg Falana. Now what thing I want here now, be say Verydarkman, you go beg Falana. Give us evidence. DeeOne I beg, and they wait for your reply. Now what you want talk now? Nothing again. Because where you did now, you don't say now, so you don't they think. Say, last. They strike out all this case come up for VDM. What did they sub self? Where you? Can't tell us say VDM. You do it in. You go beg Falana. Oswald. Ori da fún ẹ. Ọmọ wo lele yìí. Ṣó ti pa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni. DeeOne ṣó ti pa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Use your brain no data say ẹ̀wọ̀n àríọ̀. Ẹ̀wọ̀n àríọ̀. Ratters all the way.
I and 99 others have come to inform you that the court has striked out the Falana's defamation lawsuit against Verydarkman.
All right, as you can see on People's Gazette, alleged defamation, court strikes out Falana's suit against Instagram activist VDM. Two are the Instagram activists again. Well, all I can say is, angels are singing. You are good. You are good. Angels are singing.
This information we are about to dish out is to inform people who need more explanation to understand what just happened between the Falanas and Verydarkman with regards to the alleged defamation lawsuit. Listen to this. When a court strikes a case of defamation, it means the court has dismissed or removed the case from its docket, usually because it finds the case legally insufficient, invalid, or not worth proceeding to trial. This could happen for several reasons, such as the plaintiff failed to provide enough evidence to support the defamation claim. The plaintiff here is the Falanas. 2. The statement in question is protected by free speech, like an opinion or a fair comment. The next, the court finds that the statement was not defamatory under the law. The next, the case was filed in the wrong jurisdiction or had procedural issues. Basically, it means the court has decided the case won't move forward and the person who brought the defamation suit doesn't win. It's often a win for the person being accused of defamation. So, technically speaking or legally speaking, Verydarkman won. Adeyaju, Deji just they win cases. Anyhow, wait, has Oga Falana ever won a case? Please let us know. Tell us in the comment section, because this guy is just making Deji look like a very strong lawyer. I and 99 others informed the Falanas that it was just a matter of time for the court to throw out that nonsense defamation lawsuit. We are still telling Mercy, Shino and the co. They are still not understanding us. Till the time will come that they will fling the thing out through the window. Sister DeeOne, get ready.
1 down, 5 to go. The alleged criminal defamation of character filed by Femi Felana and his son has been struck out by the court. What a win for the VDM. What a win for the Rattles. What a win for human rights. Go on VDM. Hip, 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 hooray. Hip, 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 hooray. Hip, 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 hooray.